Howdy gang, and welcome back once again to the Missed YouTube channel. As always, I am Aiden, your host, and today we're going to be talking about CBD vapes. Now, selecting the correct CBD vape for you should be super simple, right? Because CBD vaping is, of course, the easiest, most user-friendly legal cannabinoid intake system. Unfortunately, with so many options out there, it can be a little difficult to know where to get started. Do I need a pre-filled kit? Do I need a regular vape kit that I just fill with CBD liquid? Which kind do I need? It can be a little bit of a minefield if this is brand new to you. So, in the name of that, today I'm gonna run you through 6 of what I consider to be the very best CBD vape systems. We've got some regular traditional vape kits here that can take CBD juices nice and easily, and we've also got some brilliant pre-filled CBD pod kits, which are super user-friendly. Just pop them out the packet and start using them. So without further ado, let's jump in and take a look at the best CBD vapes currently available. So first up to bat today, we have Aztec CBD's pre-filled broad spectrum 2000 milligram pod kit. Aztec are one of the better names within CBD vape juice manufacturing. I mean, how many CBD vape juices come in a glass bottle with a stopper and a little tube that you can put it in to keep it out of the sun? That shows a lot of understanding of the very nitty-gritty aspects of cannabis cultivation in a legal sense. And the pods that Aztec use are exceptional. Look at how thick and gloopy that is. What you have in there is around 2,000 puffs of 2,000 milligram broad spectrum CBD. What that means, of course, is that you're going to be getting a very authentic flavor. You've got the actual taste of cannabis terpenes in here, although of course, because it is CBD, all of the THC has been stripped out, so it's not psychoactive and it's completely legal. And one of the very best things about the Aztec CBD pre-filled pod kit is it contains broad spectrum CBD. What this means is it contains a number of sympathetic cannabinoids, all completely legal, that work together on your system. This is often referred to as the entourage effect. I suggest you give it a Google because it's quite interesting. But what people tend to find is that CBD vape juices with the entourage effect tend to have a faster and longer duration of effect. So right off the bat, that's a winner from Aztec. Ooh, that's herbal. Well, next up, we have a kit that is on the other end of the spectrum, both literally and figuratively, in the form of the Darwin CBD pre-filled CBD pod kit. Darwin are a little bit different from Aztec, but they are just as respected because they offer a different kind of CBD for a different kind of CBD user. Whereas the Aztec stuff is all loaded up with terpenes and that broad spectrum effect to give you the utmost cannabis without any legal issues, the Darwins are far stealthier. Darwin instead use CBD isolates, which extracts a very measured amount of CBD from the mother plant while leaving behind pretty much everything else, and that includes the terpenes of the plant. So when you're using the Darwin kit, you're not going to be giving off a weedy smell. This particular unit is sweet strawberry flavor. That's the pod that I've got in here, and there are many other pods available for it. Just gonna go ahead and give this a go because Darwin, despite being a CBD e-liquid manufacturer, have a real understanding of traditional CBD vape flavors. Sorry, I meant to say traditional vape flavors. That is such a delicious strawberry. It's not just sweet, there's almost a kind of a warmth behind it. It's a really pleasant strawberry flavor, which of course comes loaded up with CBD isolates. And what's more, the pods are available in different strengths. So there's different pods for different kinds of users. If you're looking for a CBD vape that's not gonna draw any attention, but still has a very noticeable effect, the Darwin CBD pre-filled kit is a very, very good option. Next up, we have the Haze CBD pre-filled carbon vape kit. The Carbon is a fantastic little device. It is extremely lightweight, it is relatively durable, it has a decent battery to it, and something you'll notice is it doesn't have anything sus about it whatsoever. I mean, the Darwin one, relatively stealthy, but if you look carefully, there's what looks like a bit of a green leaf imprint just at the top there, which most people won't notice. But if you absolutely want the thing in your hands to not be drawing any visual attention, the Haze CBD carbon battery is an excellent option, and it takes pre-filled pods, which are, this is something I really love, the pods are biodegradable. That is a fantastic measure that Haze CBD have taken there, because of course, one of the issues that we all had with disposables was the plastic waste that it caused, and the battery waste, of course, as well. And whilst pre-filled pod kits are excellent for making sure there aren't, landfills full of lithium batteries, pods are still getting disposed of and they're not always super easy to recycle, but Haze put in the effort to ensure that their pods are biodegradable. And maybe that doesn't mean much to you, but it means a heck of a lot to me. But something I really love about this particular range is that the flavors, whilst they are definitely cannabis sourced, they've added in a number of them some extra ingredients that give off a bit more of a traditional scent. There's still the faintest edge of cannabinoid to it, but if someone was just faintly picking up on the cloud that you were giving off, they wouldn't necessarily know what was going on. What we have here, I've got the box, we have the Blue Dreams pre-filled pods just here. You get 2 in a pack, which is very nice. I've got that loaded up right here. There is a lovely, really lovely icy blueberry taste in there. I was honestly expecting terpenes aplenty, and instead what I get from this is a very traditional vape flavor. And what's more, you're getting around, I believe around 500 milligrams of CBD spread across around 800 puffs, which is a significant and noticeable dosage. So the Haze CBD carbon battery and the pre-filled pods are a really nice touch, particularly if you're a fan of stealthy CBD puffs. Now next up, we've got a pre-filled CBD vape kit from a slightly lesser known company, but it was so impressive, it just had to feature. We have the Hurb pre-filled CBD pod kit. A rather interesting little beast, isn't it? As you'll notice, it does have a fairly chunky style build to it, though it's fairly short as well. The kit contains a 650 milliamp battery, not gigantic of course, but for CBD puffs, not going to be a problem whatsoever, and it is of course rechargeable. But what else is this we see on the base of the kit? Oh my goodness, is that a dedicated airflow slider on a pre-filled CBD pod kit? That is a very, very welcome addition. With the addition of an airflow slider, you have far more control over your CBD vaping experience. And believe me, that experience is going to last for quite a while, because each one of the Hurb pods, which you will notice are sizable, contains 10 mils of CBD vape juice, up to a strength of around 1,000 milligrams. And because of course there's no nicotine in this whatsoever, and there's no way of opening the pod to put nicotine in it, it is not constrained by TPD restrictions, and it can be larger than 2 mil. Therefore, you get a nice 10 mil CBD pod. And I've got to say, the flavors, fantastic. This is the Super Lemon Haze one, and I've tried quite a few CBD in the past disposables, and these days pre-filled pod kits. A lot of the time, you do get maybe a slight bit of heat behind the puff, maybe the slightest touch of a little scorch to it. Then I tried the Hurb Super Lemon Haze. And it's delightful. That is so beautifully sweet, and not in a kind of artificial lemon vape juice way. You can actually get the real citrusy terpenes that come from the Super Lemon Haze mother plant. That is an incredibly good tasting CBD vape juice, and you get a whole 10 mils of it to enjoy. Not only that, but they contain both CBD and CBG. That's right, you get the entourage effect with the Hurb Breeze kit, where sympathetic cannabinoids work together on your system for a faster and more noticeable onset of effect. Whilst I wasn't aware of Hurb before I got my hands on the Hurb Breeze, this kit is marvelous. Cannot recommend that enough. Lovely, delicious. Well, that is all of the pre-filled kits dealt with for today, but we still have a couple of traditional vape kits to feature because I personally believe these are a great choice for anyone who wants to purchase their own CBD vape juice or CBD booster shot to add to a traditional vape juice and use it in a traditional kit. And the first of those two I'd like to show you is the OXVA NeXLIM Go. Recently released and uber powered, although not in terms of output, more capacity, the NeXLIM Go contains, drum roll, an 1800 milliamp battery. That's nearly 2000 milliamps. That is, frankly, astonishing. And you can kind of tell what they had to do to make that happen because the kit is a little bit chunkier than most pod kits out there, but it does still have nice rounded edges and it does tend to fit in most pockets pretty easily. In fact, you would have to have, I personally have artisanal doll maker's hands, but even I am able to grip this without any problem. You also get incredible flavor through the NeXLIM pods just here. I would maybe recommend using the higher resistance pods for it, just because the lower resistance ones is gonna be a bit more of an RDL experience and you might find yourself getting through a bit more of the juice than you wanted to, particularly as you can't set the wattage on this yourself. But you do have a lovely airflow control slider just here, and remarkably, for a kit which doesn't have any kind of screen or buttons on it, there is a dedicated switch just on this side here that you can use to move the kit between eco mode, which is using less power and it's not putting too much stress on the battery, and then whacking it up to boost mode when you want to take full advantage of the NeXLIM coil system and get some real oomph behind your puff. Though I will maybe recommend don't use that too much or you're gonna get through that slightly costly juice a little bit faster than you wanted to. And the second traditional vape kit and the last CBD vape we'll be talking about today is the Geekvape Wenax Q2, a sleek and chic slice of fried gold. The Wenax Q2 is a gorgeous piece of kit. I mean, just look at it. You've got this beautiful pleather grip pattern just here, which has got different lengths to different sides. Maybe this doesn't matter to you. It matters to me. I like the appearance. And you've also got a really nice detailed display screen just here, as well as a remarkably ample airflow slider. You can really crank that open quite a bit. You have a 1250 milliamp battery upon this, which admittedly doesn't quite match up to the NeXLIM Go's 1800, but one of the big points about the Wenax Q2, of course, is that it continues to utilize the incredibly popular Q cartridge series. These are some of the best tasting pods in the vaping world. They impart zero impurities upon what you're puffing. So if you are someone that likes to buy bottles of terpene infused broad or full spectrum vape juices, and you really like to get a good taste of that natural herbal cannabis flavor, you're not gonna get a clearer flavor from a pod besides the Q cartridges. That sentence came out a bit clumsily, but the message was clear. The Q cartridges are going to help you enjoy that flavor to the very utmost without having to sacrifice anything from coil and wick impurities. So the Wenax Q2 is a wonderful choice for someone whose main interest when they're taking their CBD is getting that authentic flavor experience going. And that does it for the missed roundup of the best CBD vapes currently available in 2025. There are options for everyone, whether you're looking for the convenience of Aztec CBD's pre-filled pod kit, or you're looking for the freedom of the NeXLIM Go, which will allow you to whack whichever CBD-infused vape juices into it that you choose. If you have a favorite CBD vape or a kit that you use for CBD vaping that didn't get featured today, please let us know in the comments. We would love to know about it. And hey, if we love it, maybe we'll feature it in the future. Catch you soon, guys, and stay lifted.